Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to source for valuable insights on a variety of topics. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking concept that's been making waves in the business world, using artificial intelligence in customer data management to drive sales. The world of business is transforming at lightning speed, and the ability to harness and utilize customer data effectively is becoming a game changer. When we talk about customer data, we're referring to a goldmine of insights that can help businesses understand their customers better, create personalized experiences, and ultimately boost sales. The twist in the tale here is the incorporation of artificial intelligence. AI can sift through volumes of data, identify patterns, and make predictions, all of which can be leveraged to enhance sales strategies. So if you're looking to supercharge your sales, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into the process of using AI in customer data management. Before we delve into the process, it's crucial to understand what AI and customer data management are. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. AI systems can learn, reason, and solve problems, making them invaluable tools in several industries, including sales and marketing. Now let's talk about customer data management. Essentially, this is the process of collecting, analyzing, and using data related to your customers. It involves understanding who your customers are, what they want, and how you can serve them better. It's like having a detailed map that guides you to where your customers are and what they're looking for. So, how do AI and customer data management come together? Well, imagine having a supercomputer that can sort through mountains of customer data in an instant. It can identify patterns, trends, and insights that would take a human weeks, if not months, to uncover. That's the power of AI and customer data management. AI can automate the process of data collection and analysis, making it faster and more accurate. It can predict customer behavior, personalize marketing strategies, and even automate customer interactions. All of these can lead to improved customer relationships and ultimately increased sales. But it's not just about automation and speed. AI can also provide deeper insights into your customer base. It can uncover hidden trends, predict future behaviors, and even suggest new strategies to reach your customers. In other words, AI can turn your customer data into a powerful tool for driving sales. Moreover, integrating AI into your customer data management strategy can lead to a more personalized customer experience. You can use AI to tailor your marketing strategies to individual customers, making them feel valued and understood. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also increases the likelihood of repeat business. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI and customer data management, we can explore how to use them effectively. Now, we are ready to delve into the steps of integrating AI into your customer data management. Step 1 is to understand your data. Before you can effectively use AI, you need to have a clear understanding of the data you have. What does it represent? How is it structured? Is it clean, accurate, and complete? Understanding the nature of your data is crucial to using AI effectively. Step 2 is to choose the right AI tools. There are countless AI tools available on the market, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. You need to find the tools that best fit your specific needs. Consider factors such as the complexity of your data, your budget, and the skills of your team. Step 3 is to train your AI. This involves feeding your AI system with data so it can learn from it. The more high-quality data you feed it, the better it will perform. Remember, the goal is not to teach the AI to make decisions on its own, but rather to assist you in making better data-driven decisions. Step 4 is to integrate the AI into your data management processes. This involves connecting your AI system to your data sources and setting up workflows that allow the AI to process and analyze the data. The key here is to ensure that the AI is seamlessly integrated into your existing processes, not disrupting them. Step 5 is to test your AI. Once your AI is set up and integrated, you need to test it to ensure it's working as expected. This involves running the AI on a sample of your data and checking the results. If there are any issues or inaccuracies, you'll need to adjust and retrain the AI accordingly. Step 6 is to deploy your AI. Once you're satisfied with the performance of your AI, it's time to deploy it. This means letting the AI process and analyze your full data set. Remember to monitor the performance of the AI closely, especially in the early stages of deployment. Step 7 is to continuously improve your AI. AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It requires continuous monitoring and improvement. This involves regularly feeding the AI with new data, retraining it as needed, and fine-tuning it to ensure it's providing the most accurate and useful insights. And finally, step 8 is to leverage the insights provided by the AI. The ultimate goal of using AI in customer data management is to gain insights that can help you make better business decisions. Whether it's identifying trends, predicting customer behavior, or uncovering hidden patterns, the insights provided by AI can be a game changer for your business. Remember, integrating AI into your customer data management is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that requires ongoing effort and commitment. But the results can be well worth it. By effectively using AI, you can gain deeper insights into your customers, make more informed decisions, and ultimately drive more sales. By following these steps, you can effectively use AI in your customer data management to boost sales. So go ahead and take the leap into the world of AI. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and the right tools, it can be a game changer for your business. The benefits of using AI in customer data management are numerous. Let's delve into some of these advantages, shall we? Firstly, AI significantly improves efficiency. It can automate the tedious process of data entry and analysis, freeing up your team to focus on strategic tasks. Think about it. Instead of spending countless hours manually entering and sorting through data, AI can do it in a fraction of the time. Plus, AI algorithms are less likely to make errors, ensuring that your customer data is accurate and reliable. Secondly, AI can help increase sales. How? Well, AI can analyze customer data to identify patterns and trends, helping you understand your customers better. With this knowledge, you can personalize your marketing campaigns to target specific customer groups, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Moreover, predictive analytics powered by AI can forecast future sales trends based on past data, enabling you to plan your sales strategies effectively. Thirdly, AI can enhance customer service. AI chatbots, for example, can provide instant responses to customer queries, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. These chatbots can also collect valuable customer data during interactions, providing you with insights to improve your products or services. Lastly, AI can provide a competitive edge. With AI, you can analyze vast amounts of customer data quickly and accurately. This means you can spot market trends and customer preferences before your competitors do. And let's not forget, having access to real-time data can help you make quick decisions in this fast-paced business world. To sum up, AI in customer data management can improve efficiency, increase sales, enhance customer service, and give you a competitive advantage. But remember, the key to reaping these benefits is to implement AI effectively and strategically. These benefits can significantly improve your sales and give you an edge over your competitors. We have covered a lot of ground today. We've dived into the world of artificial intelligence and its role in customer data management, highlighting the steps to integrate this powerful tool into your business strategy. We've underscored that AI isn't just a buzzword or a fad, but a key component in understanding your customers better, predicting their behavior, and ultimately driving sales. We've also touched on the numerous advantages of AI in customer data management, from enhancing personalization to improving efficiency and accuracy in forecasting. It's clear that harnessing the power of AI can transform your customer data into actionable insights that can propel your business forward. But remember, like any tool, the effectiveness of AI depends on how you use it. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. Remember to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching.